Hi Hoopers, Tanuki Twirls here to show you the escalator elbow pinch. Your only prerequisite is the up escalator, which looks like this. To start, practice going into that up escalator, but instead of completing that move halfway, you're gonna pinch your elbow down, just like so. Pinch. And that's your escalator elbow pinch transition. There's so many things you can do. I invite you to explore, play around with this transition, tag me in your variations. Here's a few of my favorites. From here, you can pinch the hoop into a horizontal plane and go into an on-body hooping. You can pinch back into a down escalator, and then you can also pinch back into a wedgie variation. For the comprehensive tutorial, including these variations, slow motion, and more, please support me on Patreon. Happy hooping! There's 4 tiers. The $1 tier helps support content and mini tutorials on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. $5 tier is access to 4 Patreon exclusive tutorials per month. $10 tier is unlimited access to those tutorials, workshops, as well as early access. The last tier is all of the above, plus one 30-minute private lesson per month with me.